Everything in Anna's life is becoming more digital. This means that her digital identity is also playing an increasingly significant role. To ensure digital access is simple and secure, Swiss Post is integrating SwissID. Anna already has a Swiss Post login, but doesn't have a SwissID yet. However, it's very easy to get one. After Anna is asked to link her Swiss Post login with SwissID, she logs in as usual. Anna then simply presses on Link Now and creates a new SwissID account. The linking of her Swiss Post user account and SwissID login is immediately confirmed once she has successfully registered with SwissID. For Henry, the process is even easier. That's because he has both a Swiss Post login and a SwissID. He also clicks on Link Now and then logs in with his SwissID. To link his Swiss Post user account, Henry also receives an immediate confirmation once he has successfully logged in with SwissID. The businesswoman Marina has 3 Swiss Post logins, a private one, a business one, and one for her tennis club. So for her too, switching to SwissID is an advantage. Whereas before she needed 3 different logins, she now has only one SwissID login that she can use to access all 3 user accounts. But how does she do it? After the first time she successfully links to SwissID, Marina receives a confirmation just like Anna and Henry, and can then very easily link other user accounts. She does this by clicking on the Link Another User Account field. Each time Marina logs in with her SwissID, she can decide which of the 3 user accounts she'd like to use. In future, Anna, Henry and Marina will also be able to log into other participating companies using their SwissID. These include SBB, Swisscom, several major banks, insurance companies and other service providers. SwissID as a comprehensive login carries out the authentication, but the customer data remains with the companies themselves at all times. There's no doubt that digital life is getting easier for everyone, including for Anna, who is clearly enjoying her new life with SwissID. The use of digital identity is simple, secure and free, whether for Anna, Henry or Marina.